Google Cloud versus AWS. So which one should you as developers learn? So let's talk about Google Cloud. Google Cloud is one of the major two cloud platforms offering certifications, compute tools, and developer-focused services for building modern applications. And same for AWS. It is also a major cloud platform offering those features like certifications. Now let's talk about AWS. So for its pros, most in-demand cloud skill in the US because it is consistently the top requirement in the developer job in the industries. It also largest has library of services and also computes AI, ML databases, and also offers a strong enterprise adoption across finance. And it even offers huge learning ecosystems. It also has a high paying certificates such as Solutions Architect and DevOps Engineer. But it comes with some cons as well. It can feel overwhelming due to the sheer number of services. The pricing is often more complex and less beginner friendly. Also, the UI and UX is outdated compared to modern cloud dashboards, and some services are fragmented, requiring more configurations. Now, Google Cloud, on the other hand, is easier to learn, cleaner UI, simpler service structure, and best-in-class data tools. It is also rapidly growing in demand in AI and ML analytics and startups, and also offers strong integration with Google Workspace. It is also cost-effective for compute, serverless, and storage. Now for the cons though, it has less job demand than AWS in most US markets, and also offers smaller enterprise adoption in legacy sectors. So overall, if your main goal is to just maximize the job opportunities and salary, learn AWS first, because it's the most requested cloud skill across the US. But if you want a cleaner platform and are interested in AI and ML or data engineering or plan to work with startups, then Google Cloud is an excellent alternative. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications